Venice, the most unique and romantic city. Venice is a city located in northeastern Italy and is built on a group of small islands separated by canals and linked by bridges. It is one of the most unique and romantic cities in the world, and is known for its canals, gondolas, and beautiful architecture. Some of the most famous landmarks and attractions in Venice include St. Mark's Basilica, a magnificent cathedral that is a stunning example of Byzantine architecture. The Grand Canal, the main waterway in Venice that is lined with historic buildings and is a popular spot for gondola rides. The Rialto Bridge, an iconic bridge that spans the Grand Canal and is one of the most famous landmarks in Venice. The Doge's Palace, a Gothic palace that was once the residence of the Doge of Venice and is now a museum. The Peggy Guggenheim Collection, a museum that houses an impressive collection of modern art, including works by Picasso, Pollock, and Dali. Venice is also known for its cuisine, including seafood dishes such as risotto al nero di seppia, squid ink risotto, and fritto misto, mixed fried seafood. Visitors can also enjoy local wines and the famous Venetian spritz, a cocktail made with Prosecco and Aperol. Venice is a city that is best explored on foot or by boat, and visitors can spend hours wandering its narrow streets and canals, discovering hidden gems around every corner. It is a unique and magical city that is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone who visits. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.